Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Maulida Gemala Anggraini from Group 1. Now I will tell you about what is sociolinguistic. Sociolinguistic is the study of the sociological aspect of language. The discipline corner itself with the part language plays in maintaining the social roles in the community. Sociolinguistic attempt to isolate those linguistic features that are used in particular situation and that mark the various social relationship among the participants and the significant elements of the situation. Influence of the choice of sound, grammatical elements, and vocabulary items might include such factors as age, sex, and education, occupation rates, and peer groups identification, among others. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dramawati. I'm from Emoring class and I will tell you guys about social factor, dimension, and the explanation. Social factor mostly discuss the basic element of a utterance in conversation. The social factor are defined into relation to the user of language and to its uses of language by Homeless 2013. The user of language are absolutely the person engaged in the conversation or the participant, while the use of language are the social setting and function of interaction. However, there is another view on social factor. Folk 2011 argues that compared to social factor, in fact, ethnicity can have a stronger relationship to language because ethnicity might provide a gift of an entirely different language from one another. Copeland 2002 defines social dimension as features which are diagnoses of social or usually status related differentiation in communication. The social differentiation influences the production of utterance, the speaker. Some concepts of social dimension are social class, age, sex, style, and network by Romain 2000. The excitance of social dimension is implicit in conversation so that it needs deeper analysis. Holmes 2013 proposed the four social dimensions differ from previous linguists, namely social distance, status scale, formality scale, and two functional scale. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Iko Setiawan. I will continue the presentation from my friends and explain about sociolinguistic and the sociology of languages. Sociolinguistic and sociology of languages are two closely related fields that study the, the interactions between society and languages. However, these two fields are not same. Sociolinguistics basically studies how social factors affect languages, whereas sociology of languages studies the relationship between society and languages. Thus, there is a distinctive difference between sociolinguistics and sociology of languages. The key differences between sociolinguistics and sociology of languages is that the focus of sociolinguistics is language, whereas the focus of sociology of languages is society. Sociolinguistics is the descriptive study of the effect of any and all aspects of society, including cultural norms, expectation, and context on the way language is used and society's effect on language. Sociology of languages is the study of relationship between languages and society. It is closely related to the field of sociolinguistics, which focus on the effect of society on languages. Sociology of languages focus on use as whole and how these patterns of use related an individual to their community or society.